Alright, is it working? Okay, cool, it's on. So today I figured we'd do another cooking video, and I got like a special kind of surprise for today. I got these English muffins and these cheese slices on sale, and they also had bacon and eggs on sale. This is like all at Shoppers, and I got all the ingredients together, and I figured today we'd make like a bite-sized breakfast sandwich. Now this is really fun, so if you look at how I made the eggs, right? I tried to set it up so that they're perfectly prepared to fit in the little sandwiches. And we'll get these out. There we go. We get the egg here. You put that on top. There you go. Now we get some bacon. And we put little bacon slices on top. There you go. A little slice of bacon there. Oh, trust me, this is gonna taste good. Right. Now we can make a few more. I think I tried to make enough for 3 people. Yeah, three of them, 3 people. So I mean, unless you're like really hungry and you need more, I mean, you can eat more if you want to. Yeah, I like making them. They're fun. You know, you put a little bacon on it. And okay. 1, 2. I just want to eat them now. Okay, and then we got one more over here. So I'll just get our little eggie, put it over here. And then we take the bacon, and we'll put the bacon on there. Now as for this one, this piece looks a bit undercooked, so I might wait for that one. But in the meantime, we could try one and see how they taste, right? So I guess I'll eat this one. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Alrighty, let's try it out. Oh my god. Yeah, this is really good. God. Yeah, I'm glad that I made this. And what's cool about this is it's very easy to make. Very simple ingredients, not too expensive. Most of the stuff you can find on sale. God. I can't stop eating it. God. Definitely. You gotta try this, guys. It's very good. Well, I'll try to save the other 2 for the people that I made it for. So I don't eat all of them, but oh my god, these are so good. God. Delicious.